In review is a tote bag, comes nicely packaged, and we're going to open up the tote bag. It comes in a blue, tan color, nice and large. Put your beach apparel, lunch, personals. We have a zipper that you could grab the end and close up to protect things from falling out. On the side you got a band, a strap, and you got pockets on the other side, large and small. You're looking for a tote bag that is large in size to fit all your needs. We have inside a number of items. We have a helmet so we could grab out when needed, and we have other things that we have inside for the beach. So I hope you enjoy your tote bag, portable, lightweight, canvas material, blue and tan color. Enjoy your tote bag if this is right for you. And when you need to have something else in the pouches like so, maybe this bag is something that you are looking for your summer needs. Thank you for viewing.